is processing.
So far?
Yeah, so far. So far it's quite okay. But number one last year in...
Who was the champion last year?
Yeah, Malaysia.
Alhamdulillah.
Second one, Somalia. Third one is Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah, so
Oh.
this musabaqa just gathered almost 13 countries. So they are just competing, the speech of Allah, the Quran Kareem, that who's a perfect one, and who memorize more. And this, as a community, we have a culture we are doing in Somalia, and Alhamdulillah, we appreciate also all Malaysian people allow us to organize this musabaqa with the help of local people. Yeah, this I think is...
And the participants, who are they? Are they students or grown-ups, adults, children?
Based
Or
on
teenagers?
based on the chapter of the student, so we allow anyone can contact it, but below the not above 20.
Or below 20?
Yeah, below 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Dan itu di antara sedikit berkenaan dengan musabaqah yang nak ajukan. Nanti kita akan tanya lagi tentang sekolah tu pula kan.
Okay.
Tapi kita nak tanya kepada Ashraf pula, bagaimana boleh terjebak terlibat kerjasama MyCorp dengan musabaqah Somali School ini?
MyCorp ni actually start daripada 2011, pada tahun 2011. Masa tu program MyCorp baru dimulakan oleh Kementerian Belia Sukan. Dan salah satu tugas kita orang masa tu, kita dibagi satu phone number je. Phone number dia sebenarnya. Kita tak tahu apa benda, tapi dia tugas dia tu kena call dia and find out apa benda yang dia perlukan. Masa tu kita cari dia, jumpa dia, dan kita tahu rupanya sekolah refugee. Lepas tu kita dapat bantu dia daripada funding, bantuan makanan untuk budak-budak, breakfast untuk sekolah tu ke macam tu kan. Since daripada 2011 tu memang kita sentiasa membantu. Lepas tu cari untuk dia punya rental sekolah, bayar gaji cikgu-cikgu, bukan cikgu gaji lah, macam allowance, tolong cikgu-cikgu tu kan. Kita ada 6 cikgu sebenarnya, cikgu pagi 3 orang, cikgu petang lagi. Dan dengan apa-apa lagi running cost. So far macam running cost banyak jugalah, dalam 10,000 sebulan sebenarnya. So kita cari funding untuk orang jugalah yang mana yang boleh.
Ada berapa pelajar? How many students are there in the school?
Right now we have 80 students.
80?
Yeah, 80.
Okay, from the age of 7 till...
From 5 until 19. Yeah. And also we have other program like Arabic class. Yeah, we started this Ramadan, managing by the Ashraf. Even local people are coming to school.
How many subjects they are learning in the school?
In the school for the kids, right?
Yeah.
Almost English, math. So almost it's seven subjects, including Quran. Quran is compulsory. There is no any exclusion. So even if he is in the Form 3 or Form 4, he must take Quran and memorize, based on the chapters. Yes, yeah.
Right.
And then so far, how much did the Malaysian government, especially from MyCorp, assist a lot the school in order to develop and to help the students?
Basically, in fact, without getting help from the local people, like Humanity Hero or MyCorp, we will not survive. We will not survive. We will not survive. So that is, is our the only thing we can stay, Malaysia with the help of local integration, spreading, the knowledge of Quran, and for my community and the Malaysian, there is no any difference. We are Muslim, we are Shafi'i, and also they are Shafi'i. So mostly there's our opportunity to integrate with the local people. Yeah, we eat anywhere. It's halal. Yeah, that's that's the important thing. Yeah.
Now, as a mother, and I'm sure as a teacher, you would want to see your children, the students, to go as far as they could. Not only stop until they reach 18, but they can further their studies to college or university. So how can, because I know it's quite challenging in that area, how can we help in that area?
This one, it depends on for normal people, they are just doing their best. But the last decision by the government. So if the government wanted to make some change, they can change. And at the same time, all the the other people, they are ready to just implement. For me, we have some kind of that feeling. We see some people, if they can get the opportunity to go for university, they can do their best. But according to the law, according to the international rules and regulation, even the policy of the government, there is some limitation. Yeah, there is some limitation. But at the end, they have a hope that we will get
Education.
higher education. But at the local, this refugee school, like community school, we are teaching as far as we can until A level, or we are going to teach until A level, until secondary.
Okay.
With the help of Humanity Hero, MyCom,
And you are the greatest example, Masya Allah.
Yeah.
Cuma berbalik pada musabaqah ni, dalam kurang 3 minit ni, apa